In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer. If you've ever duplicated a portfolio template or experimented with dynamic content in Framer, you've probably ended up with CMS collections you don't really need. Cleaning these up is important because it keeps your project lighter, easier to manage, and less confusing in the long run. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to remove CMS collections safely and what to do if Framer tells you a collection is still in use. First, open your Framer project and head into the editor. At the very top of the interface, look at the bar that runs across the screen. On the left side of that top bar, you'll see an option labeled CMS. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Framer keeps all of your collections, which are basically groups of content that can be reused throughout your site. Once the CMS panel is open, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of all your CMS collections there. These might be things like blog posts, projects, testimonials, or any other content types that came with your template or that you created yourself. To delete a collection you no longer need, move your mouse over its name in that list. As you hover, a small More Options button will appear on the right side of that collection row. Click on that button and a drop-down menu will open. From that menu, choose the Delete option. As soon as you confirm, that collection will be removed from your project. Sometimes though, it won't delete right away. If that CMS collection is still being used somewhere in your project, Framer will stop you and show a pop-up message. This is a safety feature so you don't accidentally break a page that's relying on that data. The pop-up will tell you that the collection is still connected to one or more layers. It will also show you exactly where that CMS is being used, so pay close attention to that information. To proceed, you need to visit each of those pages or components and disconnect the CMS from the layers that are using it. Open the indicated page, select the connected layer, and look for its data or CMS settings in the right-hand properties panel. Remove the connection there, or switch it to a different collection if you prefer. Repeat this for every layer listed in the pop-up. Once all connected layers are disconnected, go back to the CMS panel, open the options for that collection again, and choose Delete. This time, the collection will be removed successfully, leaving your Framer project clean and organized.